The Rajya Sabha on Wednesday passed the Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022. The bill seeks to enable investigating officers to collect certain identifiable information like fingerprints and footprints of people, including convicts and arrested persons. It was passed by the Lok Sabha on April 4th. A motion to refer the Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022 to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha was rejected by a division with 59 voting in favour and 97 voting against. What is the Act all about? The Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022 seeks to empower the National Crime Records Bureau of India to collect, store and preserve the record of measurements and for sharing, dissemination, destruction and disposal of records. It empowers a magistrate to order any person to give the measurements for the purpose of investigation. The Act empowers a head constable of a police station or a head warden of jail to take measurements of convicts as well as those in preventive detention. If the said person resists, he can be charged under the Indian Penal Code. The biometric-based measurement identification is an attempt to create unique identification numbers for each citizen of the country. The idea is to have unauthorized control over citizens by the use of these technologies. Home Minister Amit Shah has said the data collected would be protected and shared through a secure mechanism so that people's privacy was not risked. Several opposition parties have slammed the bill as unconstitutional and draconian, claiming it can be misused. Congress leader P. Chidambaram said that the bill was unconstitutional and it violated the liberty, privacy and dignity of the people.